at New Genie Bricks and Brick Machines.
Thanks for all our Facebook followers and TikTok followers for following us on our update on our locally made manual mold brick makers, egg-layer mobile brick machines, and sunscreen machines. We are PNG national registered business, participating in the SME to build manual mold brick makers, egg-layer mobile brick machines, and sunscreen machines, and supplying them to all Papua New Guineans and providing training to them on how to polish their own bricks. This is 2 drops egg-layer mobile brick machine designs. This one is 1.5 kV vibrator machines, 2 times been installed. It can be powered up with the electricity of 240 volts, so single phase, or you can use 3 to 4 or 5 kVA generator to power up the machines. Otherwise, we can fabricate from 2 drops to 3 drops and 4 drops, so that depends on the customer specifications. If they want 4 drops, we can build 4 drops. For the 2 drops egg-layer mobile brick machines, could produce up to 1,500 to 1,000 bricks daily. The mold is customized. It's customized where it can be changed. It's interchangeable. If you want to polish, this one is 190 by 390 mm 8-inch block. But if you want to produce other brick sizes, you can change the mold, the compression frame to produce other sizes. So it's designed in interchangeable setup where you can change the mold. The machine can be same. The boxings will be changed to produce other brick shapes. It's 2 drops egg-layer mobile brick. So we got 2 functional switches. One for the top vibrator, second for the bottom vibration. When you come to this one, yep. It is the front view of the egg-layer mobile brick machines, the 2 drops. It works in the composition. It's a egg-layer type, which less than 400 kilograms, around 380 kilograms in total in weight. It's shown in a way where you can pull. So this is a suitable design, which is flexible and easy and affordable to use to produce your own bricks. So it is our initiative to help all Papua New Guineans to own egg-layer mobile brick machines and stone machines to produce their own bricks. So we provide training to them. So we have 4 years experience into building egg-layer mobile brick machines, sunscreen machines, and manual mold brick makers. So all our machines is designed using proper physics and engineering designs to give us a good compression load bearing of the brick to determine the quality. So if you're interested, you can inquire with us on our Facebook page, New Guinea Bricks and Brick Machines, or WhatsApp us for more information and pictures. We have pictorial reference and videos on our Facebook page. So you can go to our Facebook page to see. If you're interested, you can WhatsApp directly for more information and quotations. Otherwise, thanks for following us on our Facebook page. Thanks for watching our video. It's Sam Kura from New Guinea Bricks and Brick Machines. Thank you.